Florida Governor Ron DeSantis signed a new bill into law last month where minors of 13 cannot hold social media accounts, and those aged 14 to 15 do need parental consent. The real question is regarding how teens feel about this change. Kappa News reporter Ivana Ilowski gives us a closer look about how they feel about this new law.
A new bill has been signed into law here in Florida. HB 3 will prohibit minors of 13 or less from becoming account holders. Those of age 14 or 15 will need parental consent. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis believes Instagram, TikTok, and other media platforms are harming children in many ways. But we don't know how teens feel about this change. This bill was signed on Monday, March 25th of 2024. Besides prohibiting minors from becoming account holders without consent, social media companies are also required to delete existing accounts from users in this age range. Those who fail to do so could face lawsuits from parents, guardian, and others.
I agree with parents having the control over children's social media, because I feel like on social media it really it can show like a lot of things that aren't necessarily meant to be shown for like a person of that age.
Companies that fail to make these changes will be responsible for up to $50,000 per violation, as well as lawyer fees and court expenses. However, this doesn't stop companies from speaking up. A coalition of social media platforms called NetChoice stated that this new law violates the First Amendment.
I think this new law is pretty fair because at our age, I think it's very important to have control. Since I'm 15 years old, I think it's very important for my parents to see what I'm doing, and if I was younger, I'd expect the same thing.
DeSantis also decided to veto a more restrictive version of the bill, making a requirement to have some sort of identification when registering for a social media account, making it almost impossible for teenagers under 16 years old to become part of any platform unless they have their parents' consent.
Specific number of age, it's probably not a very the best criteria to suggest whether the kids can use social media or not, because kids develop at different pace. They may have different level of maturity.
This new law is set to take effect in January of 2025. There's still a long road ahead of us, and we'll see what prevails. Reporting for Kaplan News, I'm Ivana Ilowski.